How to create Square Up account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Square Up account. Square Up is a financial services and mobile payment company. It allows businesses to accept credit and debit card payments through various devices, including smartphones, tablets, and Square's point-of-sale system. Now if you want to create an account on Square Up, first of all, you need to open any web browser on a device, and in the search bar, you need to type squareup.com. Once you have entered this keyword, now press the enter button to search it. Now within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Square Up. Here, once you reach this page, you will find Get Started button at the left side. Click on this Get Started, and once doing that, you will be presented with this interface. Here in the first box, you need to enter your email address, and in the second box, you need to enter your password. Make sure you create a strong password for your Square Up account. You may also click on this I button at the right side after entering the password to check if it is entered the correct one. After creating a password, in the third box, you need to enter your current country. Once doing that, you need to click on this I agree to Square terms and policies, and then click on this continue button. Now once doing that, you will be presented with a new interface again. In this page, you need to give some information about your business. Write your business name and the type of business. After doing that, click on this Start Using Square button. After that, you will be able to see you have successfully created an account on Square Up. So by following these steps, you should be able to create an account on Square Up. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.